Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Okay guys, today I am going to show you liquid eyeshadow which is a dupe of Stila. Stila is a very high-end brand and their liquid eyeshadow are really amazing. So I thought I'll just show you this brand. This brand I am talking about is Swiss Beauty and their liquid eyeshadow are very nice liquid eyeshadows. So guys, now let's get started with the video and I will do swatches for you and I will show you the pro and cons of the liquid eyeshadow which I am showing you. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, I was talking about this liquid eyeshadow. This are Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. I will just show you. This is how the packaging look like. The packaging is really very good. You can see the packaging is exactly the dupe of Stila. Their packaging is also like this. It's very travel friendly packaging and it's very easy to use, and the pigmentation is also really very good, and the plus point is it's very affordable. The Stila one which I am talking about, that is for 2100 something, and this is only for 200. So you can just imagine in 200 you are getting this liquid eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow is really very good. So now I will show you how it looks, and you can see I have just applied on my eyes. It's very easy to use, and whenever you're going for any wedding or something, and this is the only one thing you need to carry and you will be sorted for your wedding functions also. Okay guys, so it has 6 shades in this. This are really very affordable liquid eyeshadow. Who all are beginners, this is this will be your best friend. Just believe me guys, this is very good. So the shade I have already applied on my eyes. It has a doe applicator with this, so that would be very easy to use. You can see just this is the applicator with this. So this would be very easy. You can just apply it, and I will just show you how to do this, and you can use this as a liner also and an eyeshadow also. It has 6 shades in this. So 5 shades I will show you today which I have. Okay, so from where you can buy, I will just tell you in some time. You can just see the swatches. After the swatches, I will just let you know about how long it stays and everything. Okay guys, now let's see the swatches. Okay guys, so I have done the eye swatches you have seen right now, and if you have any difficulty in watching it, so I will just do a hand swatch also for you, so that it would be easy for you guys to see the color and the pigmentation on my hands itself. So guys, so these are the shades. I am just swatching it for you. This is my favorite shade. You can see the color is really amazing. This is the shade. They really have very nice shades. The copper, golden and all shade, and they are not really very chunky. So you can see this golden shade. This is Golden Goddess. The shade are really very beautiful guys. You should give it a try. Every girl must have this in their vanity. This is also very nice shade. You can see it's a pinkish copper shade. This you can wear for a cocktail party or something like that. I really like this shade also. You can see. And the last shade which I want to show you is this. So guys, these are my hand swatches. Okay guys, so you have seen the swatches and you have seen the pigmentation. The pigmentation of this is really very good, and you can just buy this liquid eyeshadows from Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. It is available in almost every stores, because so Swiss Beauty has a very nice network, so they are available online also, and you will also get at the normal stores also, wherever they have beauty products and everything. Okay guys, so the pro and cons about this liquid eyeshadow I want to tell you about this. The pros about this liquid eyeshadow is it is very affordable. The packaging is also very good, and you can see it's a dupe of Stila, which we don't need to spend so much money and we will get this affordable liquid eyeshadow in our range, and the shades are also very amazing shades. You can just give it a try. They have different kinds of shade like golden, copper, silver, and every like that types of shades. Okay guys, so whenever you it's a tip, whenever you are applying this, it takes 20 to 30 seconds to dry up. So please let it dry up, because if you will not do that, then it will just fix it in your eyelids, and that would not look good. And the cons about this is it will get cracked, but after some time wearing it for long hours, then you have to just redo it for just a dabbing and you will be sorted. Just this is the con which I have faced. You just have to redo it if you're wearing it for long hours. Otherwise it is a yay from my side. It's a very nice eyeshadow, and it's beautifully pigmented, and the range, the color shades are very nice, like wedding, cocktail parties. You can use it in every shade, like every function. They have a very nice shade. I have given you the swatches and everything, so you can just give it a try guys. It's very beautiful and affordable also. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I am Mittal Jain. I make videos on makeup, cooking, lifestyle, and etc. Okay guys, do come here for more such video. Bye guys, take care and just stay healthy. Bye.